This is the rubric that's going to be used to create or to evaluate your final project. So notice the first thing you need is 4 to 10 sentences describing your subject, website of the website, the history of your subject, the purpose. So it's basically your value proposition. So what is this website about? The website is about the tool that you chose to evaluate. You only need, this typo, sorry. You only need one link, and that is to the link to the website of where you found your tool. You need to create an original graphic using Expression Design or another graphic editing software. You need to include copyright information. That's just the little C with a date and your name. You need to create a header using Expression Design. Make sure it reflects your subject and it goes together with the color scheme of your website. You need to add a heading to the main text portion of each web page. Notice this is different than the header. Header is a graphic, the heading is a text. Then you need to create a dynamic web template that includes your header, a non-editable region, and an editable region where you will add your content. You need to apply an external style sheet to your dynamic web template, and then you're going to create a web page from your template that contains your tool. And then you're going to create another page from your dynamic web template that contains the strengths about your tool. And then on this web page, so that's 10 points, and then the content is worth 5 points, and that content should have at least 4 to 10 sentences describing the strengths of your tool. And you're going to create a third web page that has the dislikes of your tool, and then your content for your dislikes should contain a 4 to 10 sentence paragraph describing the weaknesses of your tool. And then you're going to create their last page that has the overall opinion of your tool. Okay, and then this page can contain at least a 4 to 10 sentence paragraph of a summary about your overall tool and about the opinion of your overall tool. And the rest is the same as our other projects. Make sure your buttons work. Make sure you have your dynamic web template with your navigation on it. Make sure those buttons work. Make sure you use proper spelling, grammar, and punctuation. And make sure your colors match. You use white space, alignment, and everything is organized and makes the site look exceptional. Total points is 132, and I'm going to use this percent of your total to calculate your final score, which will be 20% of your overall score for this course. So this final project is worth 20% of your web design grade. Let me know if you have any questions.